Good afternoon, everybody. I hope this finds everybody well and hopefully excited that we're entering our final part of this semester. As of today, and today is, depending on when you watch it, today is December the 6th. So Monday, December 6th. There are still some things that are due. So it looks like several people still have not yet taken test number 3. It's short, it's easy. But it must be completed by midnight tonight. There won't be any extensions because I have to start processing grades to be able to get them done for your finals. So please, if you have not yet done test number 3, go in and take that online. It's very simple. It's over one chapter, but it must be completed before midnight, which means start and finish before midnight tonight. Also, any remaining mind tap for that last chapter is due also tonight, December the 6th. In addition, it looks like discussion 4 also closes this week. So hopefully in the next couple days, I will post the grades on that, which will be all of your grades with the exception of your final exam. Which brings us to your final exam. So the final exam is comprehensive, which means it will be over all the tests. So you shouldn't see any new questions. It should be only questions that you've seen on any of the tests that you've taken thus far. Whenever I say the tests, I mean the Blackboard tests, not necessarily MindTap. Which I know some of those correspond and are similar. But any of the tests, the actual multiple tests that you've taken, those are what you're going to be seeing the questions from. So comprehensive, which also means there'll be more than usual. You will have a 2-hour limit to take it. It shows on your syllabus to open tomorrow, December 7th. I'm going to go and open it today. So if you are ready and caught up and feel prepared, having reviewed back over all the chapters we've covered, to go on there and take that, you're more than welcome to start it now. However, the last time to take it will be December 15th. So again, one of those other ones, December 15th, it can't be later than December 15th at midnight because I must turn in all the scores by the 16th, the morning of the 16th. So that will give you through midnight on December 15th to take your final exam. I can come in the next morning, process your grades, put them all together, and then hopefully before the end of December 16th, you will be able to go on to your account and see your final grade for the semester. So please, again, those of you who have not caught up and finished, today's the last day. So you have a few hours left to take test 3, to complete any of that last mind tap, and then even finishing up discussion 4. I think it goes through midnight tonight. Again, I'll be grading discussion 4 in the next couple days. And in the meantime, anytime between now and December 15th, you can take the final exam. It'll be in the Blackboard. Remember, once you've started it, you cannot stop. Even if you log all the way out, your time won't stop. However, if you have a login issue, if you have some kind of a power issue, anything that is beyond your control, be sure and give me an email. And that's at the kburns@southplainscollege.edu. Shoot me an email ASAP. That way I can go on there and reset it so you have plenty of time. Again, if we wait till the last minute on December 15th and something like that happens, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. So I would advise that if you anticipate any problems, or just so you don't have to anticipate any problems, maybe to be taking it before December 15th. The sooner you have it done, the sooner you can see your final grade. If you have any questions at all, be sure and email me. It's been an enjoyable semester. Thank you for bearing with me on some of this new technology. I hope everything went well. Be sure and go on and do your course evaluation. Those are always helpful, not only for my class, but for all your classes. That way we know how to address things in the future. So anything else we can help you with, be sure and let us know. If you haven't set up your classes for spring of 2022, be sure and let one of us know. Your advisors are your instructors in your discipline. So if you're a criminal justice major, myself, Mr. Barnes, Mr. Allen, Mr. Whitty, we're all advisors. And actually kind of know our degree plan better than most others. So if you have not yet registered, in the next couple of weeks, if you are caught up, this would be a good time. We could maybe even handle it by email or the phone, or if you'd like to sit down and visit with one of us here in the Levelland campus, feel free to make an appointment and you can come on in, and we'd be happy to sit down with you and put together that degree plan for you so that you can be prepared for your future. So if this is your last semester, congratulations. And hope to see you again soon. Also, reach out to us if we can help you with anything in selecting your four-year institution, looking for jobs, whatever it may be. We'd love to be able to help you. We have a lot of people out here in the game that we know and that we keep in touch with. So anything we can do to be of assistance for you, that's what South Plains College is about. Thank you again, and hope you have a Merry Christmas. And again, please let me know if you have any issues.